Hi everyone, I'm Jishma KJ and I'm pursuing a Master of Business Administration at Aditya School of Business Management. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Sundar Pandian sir for letting me this opportunity to make a video on leadership excellence. I'm here to tell you about the successful story of Mr. Stephen J. Scory. Who is Stephen J. Scory? Stephen J. Scory is a chairman and CEO of American Express Company since 2018. He was born on 1959 and graduated from Manhattan College with a Bachelor of Science in 1981 and an MBA in 1986. Beginning of 1981, Scory spent for years as a management consultant at Arthur Andersen, and he is also a member of the Board of Trustees for the Valerie Fund and Manhattan. Scory joined American Express in 1985 as a manager of the Travelers Check Group. From 2000 to 2002, he was the president of the Establishment Service Groups in the US and Canada, and he was also the president of the Cooperative Card Group from 2000 to 2005, during which time he globalized the business. He became the company's Chief Information Officer in 2005 and also led to the development of cooperative functions overseeing mergers and acquisitions. In 2009, he was named as the Group President and also led to the formation of the Global Service Group, consolidating and globalizing the company shares and service functions. In 2018, Scory became Chairman and CEO of American Express Company after the retirement of the Kenneth Channett. As a chairman and CEO, Scory has a unique perspective and has demonstrated leadership qualities and managerial capabilities to drive the long-term success of the company. Mr. Scory has held many positions at his 38 years at American Express Company, including Vice Chairman of the American Express Company, Group President of the Global Corporate Services, Group President of the Global Services, and Executive Vice President and Chief Information Officer. Stephen J. Scory is a successful leader and he also offers several lessons in leadership, business strategic and organizational culture. He mainly focuses on customer-centric approach, innovation and adaptability, employee engagement, strategic focus and long-term vision. The first one is customer-centric approach. In customer-centric approach, Scory emphasized the importance of focusing customers' loyalty and experience. He was worked to ensure American Express Company continually enhance its value proposition to customers, offering rewards, benefits, services that kept them engaged. In second one is adaptability and innovation. Scory's American Express Company adapted to the digital age, expanding to the digital services and also focusing on the technology-driven solutions. He understood the need to innovate in a rapidly changing environment. He also focused on employee engagement. Scory believes in fostering a positive corporate culture and actively engages with employees, and is also maintaining a transparency and communication within the company. The fourth one is strategic focus. He also focused on core strengths such as premium services, financial products for affluent customers and businesses, while such as expanding in a new market. And the last one is long-term vision. As a CEO and chairman of the American Express Company, Scory has a unique perspective and has demonstrated leadership qualities and management capabilities to drive the long-term success of the company, and is also make decisions in future in mind rather than short-term vision. By observing Scory's leadership style and strategic decisions, we can learn valuable insights into running a successful global organization with a focus on customer loyalty, innovation, employee management, and a long-term vision. Stephen J. Scory is a successful leader and an entrepreneur. We can learn more from him. Thank you.